Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to create this coffee grinder machine. Okay, let's start. First open up Blender, new file, general, press A to select everything, X to delete. Now go to the front view, press Shift A, add the image reference, press GZ, move your image reference up here, and turn on your opacity, change it to 0.5, move your press GY to move your image reference back here. Now go to the right view, press Shift A, image reference, add another image reference, press GZ, move it up here, turn down the opacity by 0.5, press GX, move it on the X-axis like this. At the cylinder, press RX 90 degree, press GZ, move your cylinder up here, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, move it over here, tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, scale it down like this, go to the right view, press SY, scale it on the Y-axis like this, and press Ctrl R, go to the loop cut, put it over here, and press Ctrl R again, put it here, and we need another loop cut, just put it over here, just like this, tap to the object mode, press Shift A, mesh, a circle, press GZ, move your cylinder up here, press GY, move it over here, tap to the edit mode, S to scale it down like this. Now back to the object mode again, select your cylinder, tap to the edit mode, go to the top view and select the circle, it will change the color, and go to the mesh, knife project. Okay, tap to the object mode, we don't need this circle anymore, press X, just delete it, back to our cylinder, tap to the edit mode. Let's fix this, G twice, slide it over here, just follow the circle, just like this, G twice, and this one, G twice. After you're done, press A to select everything, press M, that's by distance. Now go to the face mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, select this face, Alt Control Shift, click here. After you select all of this face, press E to extrude on the Z axis up here, press S, Z, 0. Now select this face on the front and the back, press X, delete the face, press 1 on your keyboard, go to the vertices mode, go to front view, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, select all of these vertices, press X, delete the vertices, add a modifier, mirror modifier, click the clipping, press 3 on your keyboard to change it to the face mode. Select this face, hold Control and this face, go to right view, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it inside just like this, go to the front view, we need to make it strike over here, press G, X, move it like this, okay, Alt C, back to the solid mode, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut over here, go to the face mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, select this face, and this face, this face. After you select all of this face, press X, delete the face, and press 2, go to the edge mode, select this edge and this edge, press F to fill, click this edge, F to fill, press Ctrl R, we need another loop cut over here, we need to 6 loop cut, move it over here, and over here, we need to 6, over here too, 6 loop cut, okay, select this edge, press F to fill everything, do the same over here, F to fill everything, press 1 on your keyboard to change it to the vertices mode, click here, join, join every vertices over here. Hopefully we don't mess up. Okay, at the bottom, press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. Go to the face mode, select this face, hold Ctrl, click over here, X, delete the face, press 2 on your keyboard to change it to the edge mode, select this edge and this edge, F to fill them, and press Ctrl R, add a loop cut, change it to the 6, just adjust it, just like this, and select this edge, F to fill everything. Press 1 on your keyboard, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, select all of this edge, press G, Y, move it back like this, and press Ctrl R, we need another loop cut, just put it over here, press Ctrl B, bevel it, just like this, and go to the face mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, Alt Z to the solid mode, we need to select this face, select all of this face, press I to insert, press B, just like this, insert just a little bit like this, and go to the right view, press E to extrude, press S, Z, 0, press GZ, move it down like this, and press S, Y to scale it on the Y axis, just like this. Tap to the object mode, press Shift A, measure circle, just change the vertices by 16, move your circle over here, and to scale it down, just like this, go to the bottom view, adjust your circle, maybe just like this, select this object, tap to the edit mode, select the circle, mesh, knife project, after that, tap to the object mode again, we don't need this circle anymore, press X, just delete it. Now back over here, tap to the edit mode, the bottom view, press 1 on your keyboard, we need to fix this little bit, over here, G twice, here, G twice, and press Ctrl R to add a loop cut, 5, okay, just click here, join, click here, join, over here, join, this one, join, this one, join. Go to the face mode, select all of this face, go to the front view, press E to extrude, extrude it on the Z axis, just like this, okay, press S, Z, 0, and press X, delete the face. Go over here, select all of this face, press X, delete the face, go to the edge mode, select all of this edge, go to the right view, press E to extrude, S to scale it, just like this. Go to the front view, press S, X to scale it on the X axis, just like this, and go to the right view again, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, select all of this edge, press G, Y, move it on the Y axis, move it front like this, and select all of this edge, press E again, Z, extrude it on the Z axis, just like this, press 2 on your keyboard, go to the edge mode, select all of this edge, press Ctrl D, bevel it, just like this, and over here we need to bevel it too, select this edge again, and this edge, okay, Ctrl B, bevel it, okay, tap to the object mode, apply this mirror modifier, now back to the edit mode, just press F to fill, go to the right view, press Ctrl B, just bevel it like this, select this edge, press Ctrl B, bevel it just a little bit, just make it one segment, just like this, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it inside, just like this, and over here too, I guess, press Ctrl R, just add a loop cut over here, press Ctrl B, bevel it, Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it inside, just like this, okay, select this edge, we need to extrude it on the Y axis, just a little bit like this, press 3 on your keyboard, go to the face mode, select this face, all of this face, go to the front view, Press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it outside like this. Press SZ to scale it down. Go to the edge mode, select this edge and this edge, Control B, bevel it, just make it rounded like this. Okay, now select this edge, press Control B, bevel it, just make it one segment, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it inside, just like this. Okay, as you can see, we need to do over here too. Just press A to select everything, go to the mesh, symmetry size, and change this to +X to -X, just like this. Okay, go to the top here, we need to delete this face, select all of this face, X delete the face, click over here, press E to extrude, S to scale it, just like this, E to extrude again, Z, extrude on the Z axis, just like this, and do the same at the top. Click here, we need to move it down like this. Okay, press E to extrude, S to scale it down, just like this. Press E again, extrude on the Z axis down here. Okay, next let's click and select this edge. Press E to extrude, S to scale it, extrude like this. At the front view, Alt Z, just like this. Okay, and press E again, extrude on the Y axis just a little bit, just like this. Press E, S to scale it, just like this. F to fill. Let's add a subdivision modifier by pressing Ctrl 2 on your keyboard. Add a bevel modifier. Move your bevel up here, shade smooth. Change the bevel angle to the weight. Back to the edit mode. And go to the select sharp edge. Unselect this one and this one. Okay, unselect this one too. Press N, Mandyal weight, change it to the 1. Let's see, to the object mode. It looks pretty well to me. Go to the front view, press Shift A, mesh at circle, GZ, move your circle up here, tap to the edit mode, scale it down like this, press E to extrude on the Z axis just like this, extrude it again on the Z axis, S to scale it down just like this, maybe we need to scale it like this. Okay, this one, move it down over here, scale this down. Click this edge, press Ctrl B, bevel it, just like this. Select this edge, press E, Z, extrude it down here. Go to the right view, G, Y, move it like this. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, go to the top view, press Ctrl R to add a new loop cut over here. Ctrl R over here and over here. Do the same over here, Ctrl R, and over here, Ctrl R. Ctrl R. Go to the face mode, select this face, and this face. Press E to insert, just like this. Right click, loop tool, circle, go to the front view, press S, Z, 0, go to the top view again, right click, circle, back to the front view, press E, extrude on the Z axis like this. Press E to insert like this. Press Alt E, extrude face along normal. Extrude it inside like this. Then select all of this edge on the edge mode. This edge and this edge. Ctrl B, bevel it. We need a loop cut to support over here. Here, Ctrl R again, loop cut, Ctrl R, loop cut. Go to the face mode, select all of this face, select this face, and over here, this face too. Shift D to duplicate it, press P selection, tap to the object mode, select this new circle, tap to the edit mode, go to the front view, press A to select everything, Alt C to see the X-ray view, press E to extrude, extrude on the Z axis like this. Yep, just like this. Select these vertices, X, delete the vertices, do the same at the bottom, just delete it. Select this object, tap to the edit mode, select this edge, press E to extrude, S to scale it, just a little bit, and press E again, Z, move it down, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, move it down over here, press E again, extrude on the Z axis, S to scale it down like this, and select this edge, Ctrl B to bevel it, press the segment, just like this. Select this edge, press GZ, move it down here, hold Control, snap at this edge, click over here, Ctrl B, just bevel it, select this edge, F to fill, Alt F to fill everything, select this edge, and this edge, Ctrl B, just bevel. Press Ctrl 2 to add a supervision modifier. Press slash on your keyboard. Press Shift A, mesh, add a circle. Move your circle over here, go to the top view. Move it here at the middle. Tap to the edit mode, S to scale it down. Alt Z to see the X-ray view. Move it up here, just like this. Tap to the edit mode, scale it, press E, S, scale it like this, and press GZ, move it up here, go to front view, just move it down a little bit, just like this, scale it again, F to fill, GZ, move it down, go to front view, press Shift A, mesh, add a circle, change this vertices to the 16, press RX 90 degree, press GZ, move your circle over here, tap to the edit mode, S to scale it down, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, press slash on your keyboard, tap to the edit mode, press 1 on your keyboard, select, checker to select, and over here, default point, change it to the median point, S to scale it down, like this, press Shift Ctrl B, bevel it, just make it one segment, just like this, and select all of these vertices, Shift Ctrl B, just like this, press A, extrude it on the Y axis, just a little bit like this, press E again, S to scale it, just like this, press E again, S, scale it inside, right click, loop tool, circle, just like this, just rotate it. Okay, press F to fill, E, insert, just like this. And over here, press E to extrude, extrude on the Y axis, just like this. Go to the back view, right click, circle, Alt Z to see the X-ray view, S to scale it, just like this. And extrude it again, to extrude on the Y axis, just like this. Tap to the object mode, press Ctrl 2 to add a supervision modifier. Check the face orientation, click over here, tap to edit, press Shift N, okay. Okay, shade smooth, press slash on your keyboard, press GY, move it over here, Shift A, mesh, add circle, press GZ, move your silver up here, tap to edit mode, just to scale it down like this. Top view, press F to fill everything, I to insert, slide this, and press I again to insert again, slide this, press I again, insert like this. Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it here, and press 3 on your keyboard. Select all this face, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, extrude it down here, slide this, and go to the edge mode. Select this edge, press E, Z, move it down here just like this. To select sharp edge, Ctrl B, bevel it like this. Tap to the edit mode, shades mode, Ctrl 2 to the subdivision modifier, and go to the modifier, add a solidify modifier. Okay, now press Shift A, add a circle, press slash on your keyboard, go to the top view, tap to the edit mode, press E, extrude, S to scale it, just like this. Press E again, S, scale it just like this, and press F to fill. Go to the face mode, select all of this face, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, just extrude like this. Select this face, press GZ, move it up here. Go to the edge mode, select this edge, press E to extrude, Z, extrude it on the Z axis just like this, and select this edge, Ctrl B, bevel it. This one, Ctrl B, just a little bit, bevel it, and select this edge, Ctrl B, bevel, tap to the edit mode, shades mode, Ctrl 2, edit subdivision modifier, press slash on your keyboard, press R, X 90 degree, S to scale it down, Z, S to scale it, press R to rotate it, just like this. G, Y, move it inside like this. Press Shift A, mask, add a blend, RX 90 degree, go to the right view, press slash on your keyboard, tap to the edit mode, press E, extrude it like this. Press A to select everything, SX, scale it on the Z axis like this. Press Ctrl R, add a loop cut here, select this edge, go to the right view, press G, Y, just like this. Select this edge and this edge, press Ctrl B to bevel it like this. Increase the segment, select sharp edge, Ctrl B, bevel it just like this. Press slash, tap to the object mode, scale it down, move it back here, scale it, G, C, okay. Shades mode. We need something like a screw over here. Press Shift A, mask, a circle, press slash on your keyboard, get the front view, tap to the edit mode, press EZ, scale this up like this, press E again, Z, move like this, and press Ctrl R, add a loop cut over here, and we need to select this edge and this edge, press I, press A to select everything, subdivide, select this edge, dissolve edge, with the face mode by pressing 3 on your keyboard, press A to select everything, press I to insert twice, just insert like this, press Alt E, extrude face along normal, just a little bit like this, press Ctrl R, add a loop cut here, loop cut down here, press Alt H, select this one, G, move it up like this, press ES to scale it, go to the top view, Ctrl F, grid fill, change the position like this, and select this edge, Alt Control this edge, over here, Alt Control this edge, Ctrl B, bevel it, just make it one segment, just like this. Okay, and select this face, Alt Control this face, Control Alt E, extrude face along normal, move it inside like this. Now we have something like a screw. Click on your professional editing, Select this face, this face, this face. Press GZ, move it up a little bit. Now press slash on your keyboard again. As to scale it, go to the right view, and X 90 degree. Just put it over here. Scale it again. Go to the front view, G, X, move it here. Put it over here. Yep. And just click here. Just add a mirror modifier. Put the mirror modifier up here. Click this eye drop. Click on this object, just like this. Press Ctrl S to save your project. Press Shift A, cylinder, just make it 16. Shade out smooth. S to scale it down. Press G, move it here. S to scale it down. GY over here, just like this. And click this, we only need to mirror it. Mirror modifier. Click here. Add another modifier, array modifier. Move it over here. That's 0. And Y, move it till you reach the end, just like this. For the last part of the model, press Shift A, mesh, just add a circle, go to the right view, press G, move it here, tap to the edit mode, S to scale it, just like this, press E, Z, extrude it up here, just like this, press E again, Z, have to scale it down, just Ctrl V, bevel it over here, just like this, and down here, press F to fill, Ctrl V, just bevel a little bit, select this edge, press E again, Z, move it up here, S to scale it a little bit, select this edge, Ctrl V, bevel it, select this edge again, press E again, S to scale it outside like this. Just like this. Add a modifier, solidify, shade out smooth, increase the thickness, just like this. I guess we are done with the modeling. Let's go to the texturing. Okay. For the texturing, I'm only using simple material. For this body, I'm using this color, a little bit metallic, a little bit roughness, and for this part, plastic transparency. As you can see, the base color is like this, just a little bit roughness, and transmission is 1 transmission. And over here, for the metal, the color is a little bit gray, the roughness is 0.025, and the metallic like this, and let's see to the render preview. You will have the result like this. For this part, I'm using texture material. You can download it for free. Just go to thequixel.com and search the metal surface. I'm using brushed aluminum, and you can download this. Let me delete this. But first, you need to go to the edit, preference, add-ons. Just type Node Wrangle, install this Node Wrangle add-ons, save your preference, and click your principal BSDF. press Shift Ctrl T and just select everything over here. The material you've been downloaded. Press A to select everything. Just click here. Now you will have a result like this. Okay. And for the last part, at this point, we need to do something like this. Just click over here. Select this body, tap to the edit mode, press 3 on your keyboard, go to the face mode, select all of this face, Shift D to duplicate it, P, selection, tap to the object mode, and for this part, just click here new material, and press Ctrl T, open material, I'm using something like this. Tap to the edit mode over here, U unwrap, and C over here, press A, scale it down, just like this, increase the metallic, turn down the roughness, yeah, just like that. I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching.